finest quality deluxe construction comes with a trusted name. India Builders.
My name is Kumar. I am presently working as a management consultant and with about 26 years of corporate experience. And I booked a apartment in Sergeant Sukriti in AI block, and I would like to say how the entire story went about from booking till completion of the project. We have been living in Anna Nagar for the last 6 years, and ever since we moved here we have been looking for a flat to be purchased in this location. And for almost 3 years I was on the hunt and looked at various builders who have constructed flats in this locality. I was quite impressed with many apartments that have been put up by India Builders, and based on that and having seen some of the apartments in progress, I met Uttam Kumar and Thambi on my own, and I have been following up with them for almost 2.5 years to identify an apartment of our choice. Many apartments and plans they have shown us, but it was not to our convenience or liking. And finally, the one where we have purchased, that is in AI block, was to our liking, and I booked sometime in the year 2009, end of 2009. I would like to say that the interactions with Uttam and Thambi was absolutely in a very friendly manner, and the way they interacted with me and explained how the project will be brought up, and also shown some of the videos how the entire materials, the quality of the materials, the construction, the manner in which they do was highly impressive. So having seen that, I booked the apartment, and carefully I have been coming almost every second day to this location to see how the progress has been going on. And to our liking, that the people both in the office as well as at the site were highly cooperative, and they understood the client needs in full, and the manner in which the detailing was done in terms of the interiors, in terms of electrical, the plumbing and various other requirements that we have been talking with the India Builders. Every one of the thing was included by them, and they made immediately the blueprint and changed all the drawings and then shown it to us. Until the time that we said yes, they never sulked, or they never even shown their disappointment to us. And finally, whenever we said that this is the final drawing, then that has been signed off, and that has been implemented to the fullest. So this is absolutely a corporate way in which I work in a corporate, and I understand the manner in which the builder also carries on this task. That was quite admirable. And internally also we made, according to my family, my mother, wife, they wanted some changes internally. That has been fully accommodated. And I would say that the timelines were kept up ahead of time. They handed over the apartment, and the convenience both inside and outside of the flat was also to our choice. This way I would say that amongst various builders I have seen the various projects that has been going on in Chennai or outside of Chennai. I have lived in many places. This is quite a professional way, client friendly manner, and they understand the customer requirements in full. That is one of the key things in this kind of an industry. One would like to have a builder of this choice, and they have been quite accommodative. They have been quite understanding the client requirements, and that has made a win-win proposition both for the builder as well as for the clients like us. I have recommended India Builders to many of my friends, and everyone who have visited our place during construction, post-construction, they were of high opinion or a word to say. Those who have been qualified in this industry, civil lines also, they have said the quality of the construction is of a very high standard, and the quality of materials used is very high, and the execution was of a perfect order. So even professionals have rated this very high when compared with very many builders. So I am a satisfied client, and I still feel that I have made a right choice, and we are living very happily here.